In question 12, if I multiply my age by 6 in 6 years' time by 3, the resulting age is my mother's age now. My mother is currently 48 years old. How old am I? So if I multiply, I'm going to say that M is my age today. So M plus 6 is my age in 6 years' time. So I multiply my age in 6 years' time by 3. So 3 times M plus 6 will be my age in 6 years' time multiplied by 3. And it's equal to my mother's age now, and my mum's age is 48. So 3 lots of my age in 6 years' time equals my current mother's age. Okay, that's good. Now I've got a decision. Do I divide first or do I multiply out the brackets? Since 3 does go into 48, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. M plus 6 equals 1, with 1 over, 16. So M equals 16 minus 6. My current age is 10 years old. And looking at the last question, which is question number 16. Okay, question 16, we have 2 cars. Car A left Melbourne for Adelaide at 11 a.m. and travelled at an average speed of 70. Car B left Melbourne, the same place, towards Adelaide, the same place, 2 hours later at 1 p.m. on the same day and travelled at an average speed of 90. So the second car was travelling faster. After what time will car B catch car A? So I know that speed is distance divided by time, because 70 kilometres per hour is distance over time. So I want the distance of these 2 cars to be the same. So distance is equal to speed times time. For instance, if it's travelling at 70 kilometres per hour for 2 hours, it should travel 70 kilometres in the first hour and 70 in the second, so it's 140 kilometres. So let's look at car A. Car A's distance will equal 70 times the number of hours that it travels, which is t. So 70t. Travels for 4 hours, it's 4 times 70. Car B, the distance will be 90 times the number of hours that it's travelling. Now t is the number of hours that car A travels, and car B leaves 2 hours later, so that's going to be t minus 2. For instance, if car A is travelling for 4 hours, car B will be travelling for 2 hours, 4 minus 2, because it left 2 hours later. And since I'm wanting to know the time that they both travelled the same distance, then these 2 distances equal each other, and I have 70t equals 90t minus 90 times 2, 180. And since I have more t's on the left-hand side, 90t minus 70t equals 180. 180 equals 20t. T equals 9. Therefore, they travel for 9 hours. Therefore, at 10 p.m. on the same day is when both cars will have travelled the same distance.